तांची पेरेंट्स जे आसा लोन काडटा, उदारी घेता, मागीर तांकां नोकऱ्यो खंयच्यान? हो जो सरकार आसा ना तांकां नोकऱ्यो दिता, पूण ह्योच नोकऱ्यो विकतात, ह्या नोकऱ्यांचेर प्रायस टॅग लायता. आमी पयले आसा फाटल्या खेपार व्हडलो एक जॉब स्कॅम ओपन जाल्लो आसा. हे भुरगे जे बेकार आसता ते करतले कितें? तांकां ना म्हूण जॉब्स आसा, तांचे पेरेंट्स, तांचे आवय बापूय रिणांनी पडल्या, हेच चिंतून मागीर हेच भुरगे वायट वेसनांनी वयता. आनी ताका लागून आयज आमी पळयता की भुरगे रस्त्यार बसून बेकारी खातीर एक्सिडेंट जावन मरतात. हाचो जबाबदार कोण? हाचो जबाबदार हो भाजपा सरकार. होच सरकार जो युवकांक केअर करिना, होच सरकार आमच्या युवकांक आयज पळयना. ना म्हूण तांकां गव्हर्मेंट, ना म्हूण तांकां प्रायवेट सेक्टरान जॉब मेळटा. आयज तुमी प्रायवेट सेक्टरान वचून पळयात, कितकेशे भायले लोक आयज टॉप पोजिशनान घेवन बसल्या. कित्याक? आमचे गोंयकार आर इनकेपेबल ऑफ elite jobs, or they're just not given position, or they're just not given an option. हाकाच लागून आमचे भुरगे गोंय सोडून आयज भायर वयता. Why? Because even after having opportunities here in Goa, they are neglected. They are not given a proper upper hand. There is no regulation for jobs even in the government department. There is no regulation for job even in the private sectors. All the top positions are either given through internal recruitments or they are given to people coming from outside. My question to the government is, you need to regularize this. You need to make sure that the jobs, even in the private sectors, are reserved for Goans. They are capable enough, we are capable enough, and we know that we Goans are the future. Thank you.
नमस्कार. प्रेस बॉक्स सगळ्यांक येवकार. ह्या दिसांनी एक सायकल चल्लेली आसा. आय डोंट हॅव जॉब बिकॉज आय डोंट हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स. आय हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स बट आय डोंट हॅव जॉब. हे सद्याक तरी चल्लेले आसा. आतां तुमी पळयतले लाखांनी तशेंच हजारांनी तशें देशान आनी राज्यान भुरगे पास आवट जातात. वेगळे वेगळे कॉलेजींतल्यान, वेगळे वेगळे इन्स्टिट्यूटल्यान पास आवट जातात. पास आवट जावन ते प्रायवेट सेक्टरान जॉबाक अप्लाय करतात. थोडे गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टरान अप्लाय करतात. जे प्रायवेट सेक्टरान अप्लाय करता तेमी जेन्ना एप्लाय करता, इंटरव्यू वयता, तेमचे कडेन एक्सपिरियन्स मागता. आनी जेन्ना तेमचे कडेन एक्सपिरियन्स ना तेन्ना तेमी तांकां रिजेक्ट करता. आनी तुमचे आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टरान येयलो, गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टरान तेमचे मेन्यू कार्ड रेडी उरता. तुमकां टिचरीचो तुमकां खबर आसा 10-15 लाख, नर्सीचो 12 लाख, पुलीस इन्स्पेक्टर जावपाचो जाल्यार तुका 25 लाख. हे तेमचे चालू आसा. म्हणल्यार तेमचो हे जेन्ना एक शिकिल्लो भुरगो जेन्ना त्रास काडटा आनी मुखार तेजें फ्युचर करपाक सोदता तेन्ना तांकां जॉब मेळना. मागीर तो वायट हितून वयता. थोडे वायट वेसनांत पडटा, सोरो पिता, ड्रग्स पिता. खुबशे भुरगे डिप्रेशनान वयता. खुबशे भुरगे मरतात, जीव दितात. आनी हेजो रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण? सरकार. हो जो भाजपा सरकार आसा हो तेमचो रिस्पॉन्सिबल, हो तेमचो हत्यारो. सपोज तर तेमचे कडेन जॉब आशिल्ले जाल्यार ते सगळे सारके उरता आशिल्ले. आयज तुमकां एक एग्जाम्पल उदाहरण दिवपाचें. जेन्ना तुमकां फोन येता, जेन्ना तुमी कॉलर आयकले उरतले की ह्या सेवाचेर तेमचे तुमी सुरक्षात, हे नंबराचेर तुमी फोन उठयनात. हे सरकाराक खबर आसा. आनी जेन्ना असले जे करताय जे क्रायम आसा पळय तो सादो मनीस करचो ना. तो शिकिल्लो जो IT भुरगो उरतलो पळय तोच करूं शकताय. नॉर्मल मनीस करचो ना. आयज गरज आसा चिंतपाची. सो हेजोय बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण? सरकारूच आसा. आमी म्हणटात की जनरेशन वाडला, एडवान्स जाला जाल्यार आमचे जे भुरगे आसात ते स्कूल ते 10 वर्स फाटीं आसात खंयचे दुसरे देशा कित्याक जेन्ना भुरगो भायर सरता तांकां खबरूच ना जे टॅक्नॉलॉजीज आसा बाकीचे कितें आसा ते टॅक्नॉलॉजी तुमी शिकयात मरे तांकां. जे तुमी पयशे तुमी इव्हेंट करपाक हे करतात, इव्हेंट करतात, जे पयशे तुमी आमदार विकते घेवपाक तुमी यूज करतात ते पयशे घालात मरे तुमी इन्स्टिट्यूट घालात मरे, भुरग्यांक शिकयात मरे. हेजेर कित्याक कोण चिंततात ना? हांव सरकाराक एक सांगू सोदतां, जर तुमी अशेंच करीत रावले न्ही हेजे मुखार आमी कितें दाखोवपाचें तें 2027 दाखयतले. आनीक फावटी यूथ काँग्रेस सगळे लोकां बरोबर सदांच उरतली. जे यूथ आमचे हे आसा न्ही इश्यूज आसा ते सदांच आमी लोकांच्या मुखार हाडीत
निखिल सिमी पुरस्कार. नमस्कार सगळ्यांक गोंयकारांनो. आयज हांव एक ग्रॅज्युएट. फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी हांगा येयल्ले, आतां परत येयल्या. फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमी पयले कसो पुलिसांचो वापर करून आमचे सगळे युथांक जावं आमचे ऑपोजिशन लिडरांक जावं इवन कॅप्टन गिर्यातो जो 7 वर्सां MP आहा ताका काही प्रोटोकॉल्स आसा ताका सुद्दां पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केल्लो आनी बशीन घातलेलो. आयज खंय तरी यूथ दुखावले म्हणून भायर सरलेले आसा. तुमी पळोवंक शकता की खंय तरी जशें बाकीच्यांनी ब्रिफींग केलां, हांव चड उलोवंक सोदिना, थोडे भितर तुमकां सांगता. लास्ट 1 डेकेड जे भाजपा सरकार गोंयांत येयल्ल्या 1 डेकेडान एका वर्साक समज 10,000 समज भुरगे धरले ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्यार एका डेकेडा भितर 1 लाख जाल्ले आसा. खंय तरी आयज तुमी पळोवंक शकता पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट 10,000 आनी ग्रॅज्युएट 30,000 आनी 10th आनी 12th तेंची संख्या भरपूर आसतली. आनी आयज अशें आसून तुमी पळोवंक शकता भुरगे बेकार आहा. तुमी तुमचो इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडियाचो रिपोर्ट आसा, सरकाराचे आंकडे आसा की बाबा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट गोंयांत वाडलेलो आसा. आनी खंय तरी आमचे भुरगे आसा पळय ते बेकार आसा. आनी तुमी पळोवंक शकता व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट येता. मोपा एअरपोर्ट आहले, कोल मायनींग येवपाची आहा. फाटल्या दिसांनी ढवळेकराचो स्टेटमेंट आहलो की गोंयांक आनी एक एअरपोर्टाची गरज आसा काणकोण म्हणून. जाल्यार ते कारवारच्या लोकांक जॉब दिवंक सोदता, हेवटेन महाराष्ट्राच्या लोकांक जॉब दिवंक सोदता काय कितें. आनी तुमी आयज पळोवंक शकता आयुश हॉस्पिटल जालां, व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट येयल्या पळय तितून हाय लेवलाचे पोस्ट आहा पळय सगळे भायल्या लोकांक दिले गेले वयता. हांव कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करिना, मात सांगूंक सोदता की फाल्यां हेंच्यांनी भुरग्यांनी सांगलां पळय तशें कोणा कडेन हें आसा नॉलेज आसा, कोण ग्रॅज्युएट आहा मात तेजे कडेन एक्सपिरियन्स ना. सो तुमचे व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट येवपाचे आहा. आमची जमीन वयता, आमचें उदीक काबार जाता, आमचें कितें कांयच प्लॅनिंग ना. आमचो पोटाचो हिस्सो काडून तुमी तांकां दिता भायल्या लोकांक. ते भायले लोक येवन हांगा जॉब घेता ते सुशेगाद आहा. आनी तुमी पळोवंक शकता आमचे जॉब तांकां दिल्ले गेले वयता जाल्यार तुमकां खबर आसा की इतली इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडपाचें आहा. जाल्यार आमचे भुरगे आतां यूथ जे पास आवट जाता तुमी खंय तरी बिल्डिंग्यो घालून जे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट करता पळय थंय करोडांचे पयशे वेस्ट करता पळय ते स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट कोर्सीस घालपाक जाय. आमच्या भुरग्यांक ट्रेन करपाक जाय की बाबा जे करून तांकां फुडें जॉब फॅसिलिटी जातली. आयज आमचे भुरगे शिकून भायर लंडन गेले वयता, दुबय गेले वयता आनी मागीर तांकां म्हणटा थंय रावन तुमकां गोंयच्या बद्दल उलोवपाक जायना. हेच आमदार सांगता आनी हेच आमदार तांकां म्हणटा भायले तुमी ते तुमी लंडन रावन कमेंट मारूं नाका. अरे आयज तुमी तांकां जॉब दिवंक हांगार तुमी दिल्ले जाल्यार ते भायर वयचे नासले न्हू. तुमी हांगारूच तांकां जॉब फॅसिलिटी दिली जाल्यार ते आपले फॅमिलीक सोडून वयचे नासले. जाल्यार इतले प्रकरण जाता. आयज म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आमचे बहुजन समाज निग्लेक्ट केलो वयता. हांव एक बहुजन समाजाचो. जेन्ना राजकारण येता, इलेक्शनां येता, वोट बँक पॉलिटिक्स जाता तेन्ना बहुजन समाज म्हणटा ते तुमकांय खबर आसतलो. 6 टायम्स तो MP निवडून येयला, तो मागीर 5 वर्सां बिळान वयता. आनी तो तुमच्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे मिडियाचेर हांवें ब्रिफिंगाचेर पळयल्लें की देवळांनी तो वयता आपूण निवडून येवंक जाय म्हणून. आनी मागीर तो निवडून येयल्या उपरांत देवळांनी सुद्दां वचना आंगवणी फारीक करपाक अशें आसा. आनी तो भायरूय सरना. तेन्ना बहुजन समाज आसा पळय तो आयज समाज उरला पळय तो राजकारणा पुरतीच उरला काय हेजेर म्हाका क्वेश्चन मार्क वयता. आयज आमचे बहुजन समाजाचे 7,000 सुमार भुरगे ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्लेले आसा. म्हाका दिसना समाज आमचो आनी उरला कसो. आनी हेजेर हे पळय राजकारणच करीत आसा. मात आमचे ते बहुजन समाजाची वोट बँक आसा आनी व्हडले व्हडले सरकार भाशणां करता की बाबा बहुजन समाजाक आमी अशें करता, आमचो बहुजन समाजाचो मनीस. मात म्हाका दिसना हो समाज उरला कसो. आनी आयज भुरग्यांची दिशाभूल केल्ली वयता, महिलांक हे केलें वयता, मिसगायड केलें वयता. आनी तेजेर हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की आमचे हे यूथ आसा पळय तांकां खंय तरी आमचे CM सरान तांकां जॉब दिवचे, जाल्यार ते रस्त्यार येतले. फाल्यां मागीर कितें सुवेवस्था बिगडली जाल्यार आमी अवरिगात आसचे ना. तशेंच तुमी पयले आसतले भुरगे कितें टॅक्सी चलयता काय आनी कसलो धंदो करता, थंय सुद्दां तो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर तांकां सतयता. म्हणून सेल्फ बिजनस करता ते तुमी तरी जॉब दिवंक शकना. परते परते तांकां हॅरेसमेंट करपाचें न्हू. कसले तुमी कायदे हाडटा, स्पीड गव्हर्नर म्हणटा, मिटर म्हणटा. तर मिटराकूय तेंच्यांनी कितें केल्लें, GPRS हाडलेले. आतां ते म्हणटा तो मिटर चलना. आतां ते म्हणजे हायकोर्ट वायलेशन म्हणून तुमी लोकांक त्रासान घातले. आतां परते VLT म्हणून मिटर कितें घेवन येयला. प्रत्येक गोश्टी तुमी डिफॉल्ट मिटर बसोवन प्रत्येक गोश्टी तुमी गोंयकारांक सारके त्रासान घालपाक येयल्या. आनी तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की बाबा जेन्ना तुमी अशें नाकाल्लें करीत जाल्यार आमी तुमकां एक्सपोज करपाक भायर सरना. थँक्यू, देव बरें करूं.
थंयच राव, हांव मदीं मदीं यो. तो मदीं यो न्हू.
A very warm welcome to our media brothers, our media family. Present with me is Vice President of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress, Mr. Vaishnav Pednekar, North Goa District President Ronaldo Rosario, a Youth Congress member Dipesh, GPCC Committee member South Goa District Peter Fernandez, and all our Youth Congress members, Bab Manish. Thank you all for coming. Today I am going to talk and express my grievance to the youth of our state, of our country. The reason being is the future of our country and of our state lies in the hands of young men and women of this land. So whatever we want to say, we have to say it to the youth and through the youth. Today we are gathered here to talk about the anti-youth budget that few days back we heard, and also about the inhuman treatment to hundreds of Indians who were deported back to India. Now the problem of unemployment has been a big question from quite some time in India. Sadly, the current government has failed to address this issue and curb the unemployment. Our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, came with a wonderful concept called Make in India, and it was a good concept, a good try to curb the unemployment. But I would sadly again say that this idea or this attempt failed. The reason is, I'll tell you, we all have our phones here present, and it says Make in India. Though it says Make in India, this is not manufactured in India. All the parts are assembled in India. So when we go to assemble these in India, we need to buy these products, these parts, which are produced in China. So when we buy these products, we pay taxes to China, and through that, somewhere back in China, a youngster gets his or her salary. Now the GDP of manufacturing production dropped from 15.6% approximately from 2014 till date to 12.6%. This clearly shows that the rise in unemployment is because there's a decline in production, there's a decline in manufacturing, and the government has failed to focus on production. From the year 2004 to 14, the workers in the farming sector reduced approximately from 58% to 48%, because there was boom in manufacturing sector, in the service sector. There was opportunities for the youth to work there. But from 2014 to 24, the workers in the farming sector have increased from 42% to 46%. Clearly, because there is no growth opportunities or no employment opportunities, because the focus is not on production. Classic example I will give you is of our own state, where there are many graduates who have studied, worked hard, got their degrees with the hope that they will pursue their career in the degree they have received. But after waiting for years and years and remaining unemployed, they finally decided to go back to farming, to agriculture, which is good, but does not justify their degree. Some of them have got back to professionals like taking a taxi badge, driving a taxi. Some of them have become a delivery boys, some of them have become fruit vendors, vegetable vendors, because they have lost hope in the government. The youth of our state has no hope in the government jobs also, because these jobs are being sold and there's a scam run through the government. Classic example again, the cash on jobs that's happening over years, and this year it has peaked to a different level. So where is the scope for employment? So this time when the budget was being announced, a lot of youth came together with a hope that this government will bring in policies, schemes to revive employment in the country, to revive the livelihood, and to revive the hope and dream that every youth carried. But this government failed again to secure the future, to provide employment for the youth. They again ignored the youth very conveniently, like they always do. Yes, the government has announced 3 schemes which they claim will revive employment opportunities, but the government has not realized that to get 46% of youth out of the farming sector, and a country which generates around 6 to 7 million youth every year seeking for job, and to employ 25 million youth who are unemployed currently, these 3 schemes that they have announced are total ridiculous, meaningless, and has no hope. This budget was just a eyewash, or I would say gimmick, because there's Bihar elections coming ahead and they want to draw the middle class by bringing the beautifully decorated tax slab, where people will feel, yes, this government is thinking about us now, but sadly the government is only thinking on how to regain its supreme power in different states, and Bihar is one of it. So I would say the government is again failing miserably in this budget. I would like you all to be a little patient, because I would like to address another topic here. They say that AI is the future of our country. They say AI will provide a lot of employment to the youth. But again, the government is trying to fool the people, fool the youth, because AI is driven, and banks, now for example, we talk about assembling the phone in India. So all the data that's used to produce those parts are owned by China. We have no ownership on those data. Speaking about data of consumption, again, we do not own it, because there are giants like US giants like Google, Facebook, Twitter, who own this data. So if we talk about AI being the future of our country and for our youth, how are we going to do this when we have no data owned? So the government knows that there is no data, then how are we talking about AI is the future for our country? So again, we are going to bank on countries like US and China. So where is again growing India to a next level? Where is the Achhe Din? Speaking about unemployment, government is miserably failed in tackling this issue. Our leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, has given a roadmap in the parliament on how we can curtail and curb unemployment, which has not been addressed by any leaders or any party in the last many years. Now I would like to talk about a very insensitive act by the US government that was done on our fellow Indian brothers. Yes, many of them will say, what is wrong? If someone encroaches some other country illegally or enters a country illegally, it is the right of the government to deport them. Yes, of course, they have to be deported. But the question here is, should they be deported like criminals or terrorists? The answer is no. If our Honorable Prime Minister says that he has very good terms with the President of US, Mr. Trump, then this should not have been the ideal act. When 100 odd Indians were being brought back to India, it's a shameful thing that they were brought back to India in a US Army flight, a plane, aircraft. Where were the Indian government, or where was our Honorable Prime Minister at that point in time? It has never happened in the history of any political party that other country aircraft has brought the people of India handcuffed and chained. Why there was no media? Why there was no Godi media present there when these Indians were brought back to India? Why no one was allowed to capture it? And at that point in time, where was Sri Narendra Modi ji? He was having a dip in Ganga, where the entire focus shifted from Indians being deported to Sri Narendra Modi ji. So the report says that 6 days later, Narendra Modi ji was supposed to meet Mr. Trump for a cordial meet, a friendly meet. If that's a state, that's a thing. If so cordial the relationships are, then why was this act done? If India had to send their flight and bring back the deported Indians, it would have been all over India on the brave act of Sri Narendra Modi ji. We would like to take the example of Colombian president. When the same thing was done to their citizens, he stood by ground and he said that he will not let this happen. He will not let the citizen deboard the flight, and he sent back the aircraft after a lot of discussion. And I think so when Trump tried to threaten him with some taxes, he then said okay, he formed a committee to get the deported Colombian citizen, and he sent his own aircraft to bring back the citizen with respect. Why was that not being done by the Indian government? And the question here is, why was this youth or Indian citizen had taken a step like this to enter a different country? Because there is no scope of growth, there is no scope of employment. Ironically, 33 people out of the 100 odd people come from Gujarat, where Sri Narendra Modi ji belong. Then why, if everything is so good, why they wanted to go out? Because there are no schemes and no growth opportunities for the youth in India. And that's what we want to tell people of India, the youth of India. Please vote wisely. Your vote counts for a better future. Think for the right government. Thank you. Pois kara re, pois kara.
Bekari, pois kara.
Pois kara re, pois kara.
Bekari, pois kara.
Amka zai, amka zai.
Amche nokri amka jai.
Amka zai, amka zai.
Amche nokri amka jai.
Sochna re, sochna.
अत्याचार सोचना.
सोचना रे सोचना.
अत्याचार सोचना.
महेश, तुम्ही आता म्हटले यू टू वोट देम, वोट फॉर यू वायजली. आता तुम्ही दिल्ली
Vote for the right government.
राईट गव्हर्मेंट. आता तर दिल्ली जर तुम्ही स्टेटस पळयत जाल्यार काँग्रेस इज फिनिश इन दिल्ली फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 इलेक्शन. सो हेचेर आता तूं कितें म्हणटा?
See, there is always, we had planned it out in a way that we will revive Congress in Delhi. You have seen that we have contested individually, and we believe that Congress will revive in the coming years. Maybe not this year, but definitely we are in the growth of revival and will come back into power soon.
सो रिवायवलाच्या पोवाळान आयज खंय तरी बीजेपी जिखली अशी दिसता
आमकां अशें दिसता ना पळय did not treat the people of Delhi well. I would say the people of Delhi gave their response. So I would say it is not a victory of anybody. It's basically what the people wanted, and that's all. You have to accept the result.
So, yeah, if you see last 3 election in Goa, so after the 2027, you will show the government. So last 2 election, you had already shown that giving 10 candidates first to BJP, now 8, and 27, what you will show now? Because still your
27
status
will
all
show the
this
strength of Congress, and it doesn't matter if leaders leave Congress and go, because Congress is a revolution. Congress is a party, and we create leaders. So coming 27, there will be new leaders, new faces, and definitely you'll see Congress back in power in 27 and go.
So you are saying youth will get opportunities in next election?
I'm not saying that. That depends on how and what the senior leaders will take a call, but there will definitely be new faces.
ओके आनी लास्ट टायम तुमी एक प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो मागीर सीएमाक मेमोरंडम दिता म्हटलें
आमी दितले आमचे ऑलरेडी रेडी आसा सो मे बी मंडे ट्यूजडे वील गिव बिकॉज सीएम ऑल्सो वॉज नॉट इन टाउन दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव नॉट गिवन द मेमोरंडम पूण आमी दितले ऑलरेडी द मेमोरंडम इज रेडी आय शेअर द कॉपी विथ यू
तुम्ही म्हणता इन्स्टिट्यूट येवचें म्हणून पूण IITक तो सगळ्यात अपोज करता तुमी अपोज करता तो कशें जातलें
It is important to have IIT. We have to also see other factors, how and what it benefits, whom it benefits, because finding the locals are important. We will take a say, and then come to a conclusion which benefits the industry and the locals. So I think that's a time when it comes, we'll take a call on that. But right now we are not in a position to take it.
So much last so many protests we see you only. So what is the youth president? Is still as a president or he left as a president? Because he's not seen on the ground.
See, on that, I think so. We'll talk, and because he's still the president, definitely he's a part of the Youth Congress Committee. And in the future course of action, definitely there will be. You'll be seeing you'll see him coming with us and protesting.
आपलं as a acting president तो कितें
I would just like to say that this protest is about anti-youth budget, and it is not about Youth Congress Goa. So let us not divert our focus from Youth Congress Goa, because we want the focus to be only on the anti-youth budget that's been announced, which is not favoring the youth of our country, youth of our state. So let's only